Hi Mecha fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be looking at the SNAA Galahad. This is another member of their highly detailed The Round of Table Knight series. These are the prototype images released this May of 2026. As based on the previous release, it is expected to feature multi-layered armor, excellent color separation right out of the box. This will include a premium waterslide decals and hopefully a dedicated action stand. By far, this is the biggest of the bunch. This will have a price of around 69 RMB or roughly about 11 US dollars. Again, prices may vary depending where you're getting it from. Pre-order is already out and the expected release date is around the summer of 2026. And next on the list is this QB mech. I'm not sure if this is AI generated by a fan. I couldn't find any information on who will be releasing or manufacturing this model kit. But for now, let's enjoy the aesthetics of the design based on the QB Ninetales. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.